Hey, this is Rob. Just a quick assembly video for the new Glogo BDM dampers. What I need you to do first of all is just break this edge on here. So something like this type of tool is the best way just to break the edge. You can also use a scalpel if need be and just take that edge off. Basically what you're looking to do is just get a little bit of a smoother edge in there, take away the sharpness of that. And then take one of your original dampers, a little bit of grease on it, and then that's going to be popped in to the hole at the back there. And so there's a damper inside. There's one I've already got in that side. So just put one damper inside, and then the new damper just fits in and is then a press fit into place. And the same this side. You can just pop that in. That's the dampers in place. Okay. Then when you assemble it, there's no need for a shim against this face. That will fit straight against the bearing there. It's designed to allow the inside face of the bearing to sit straight against it. When this is actually all assembled together, I'll just pop the shaft through for a minute. There we go. Right, when this is all assembled together, you've got just grab that. That's it. This is a loose one. It will be tighter than this, but you've got to just work that in. You can even just pop it down. There we go. There we go. It's in. That's it. When you tighten these up together, it will actually squash the dampers together. It will squash them inwards. And what that will do will actually compress those dampers a little bit, and that will give you left to right play in your, or left to right dampening in your head block here, which puts a nice little bit of pressure against the thrust bearings inside, but not enough that they're running rigid and they can be damaged in use. Okay, that's basically it. Assemble it like that. When you tighten up the nuts now, that will just all squash together slightly and give you that left to right dampening. And then the head block here now has a little bit of twist up and down. You can't even see it, it's not noticeable. But it allows for a little bit of float on the spindle, but then it locks up in flight. In testing so far, these have been absolutely brilliant. Been working really, really well. Anyway, there you go, that's how to put it together. Cheers.